Is this your favorite because it's old?
Yes, I like the old stuff because I can clean them and that they will be better for another couple of 100 years, I hope. And that's what I love from this work.
We are in the storage space of the University Library, and today we're going to show you around and also look at the cleaning process in the Poetspaleis. It's a natural process that dust collects on books. A little bit of dust is not that damaging, but if you get a lot of it, it can get sticky and it can stick to the books, but it also can attract other things, like insects, for example.
Yeah.
And that's what the real problem is, and that's why we're cleaning it.
But it's nice to do because you see the difference when you clean the books. You see the difference and what it becomes when you're done cleaning.
We started a year and a half ago. The reason was we really wanted a space where we could clean, and we didn't have one. So that's why we decided to have a little nook built in the storage space.
So that's what I love also from the books, how old they are and how they were made and how they were bind together. And that's how we also, that's how I managed to clean them, that they get perfect example for the next customer who wants the book.
So last year we got a collection gifted from an old professor who passed away, and his wife asked us if he wanted to keep his collection. And it was kept in a basement and it was a bit damp. So we were like, yeah, we would love it, but we were a bit hesitant about the state of the books. Because, for example, if they would have something like insects in it or mold, you don't want to bring that in. Normally you would really hesitate and be like, no, maybe not. Yeah. But because we have this facility now, we can actually accept those collections, which I think is really great. What was really important for us is making a safe space for our people to work, because you work with dust all day, so we really focus on how is it good for their health as well.
Is it a special kind of mask?
Yeah, it's for the special mask for the dust. One goes on first, and this one goes just like this. So what we do then is that's a big section from over here for the filter, and the dust that goes in here. When we do the inside page, we also start in the center where it's binded, and we take it down. And when we're down, we take slowly but surely we go up again the whole page, so all the dust comes into the vacuum cleaner. That's how we do it. You get a dusty book and you start to clean it up, and when you're done you put it on another car, and then you see the difference between the old books and the clean books.
I think the main reason why we're doing this cleaning, which I find really important, is to make sure that these books are also still available for the future generations, not just for us. And I think that's the most important thing about what we're doing here.